Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education, Strategies for Culturally Responsive Teaching. How can teachers create a more inclusive environment? First off, teachers should get to know their students. This means knowing more about them than their academic strengths and weaknesses, but getting to know them on a personal level. Next, have high academic expectations for all students. Too often, teachers for some reason believe that ESL students aren't capable of learning because of their language barrier. This does a disservice to them. Provide opportunities for these students to speak English. The more opportunities and practice students have to speak English, the better they will become in speaking English. Encourage students to try their best in speaking. Display some of your students' culture in the classroom. For example, if you teach a classroom with mostly African American students, have up some posters of individuals such as Martin Luther King or Rosa Parks. Continuing, incorporate visuals into your lessons. Communication can get distorted between various cultures. However, there can be no confusion when everyone in the classroom is viewing the same thing. Incorporate a multicultural curriculum. This includes teaching from a curriculum that represents the cultural history of the students, and it highlights the most effective teaching methods. Hear your students' stories. Provide assignments such as culture studies where students can talk about their cultures and about themselves to the entire classroom. Next, work to build relationships with parents of your students. The research is out there. Parents of ESL students are not as involved as typical parents. And the last strategy, which is often overlooked, is to get your students' names right. That means being able to pronounce their names, because when you mispronounce their names, they get the feeling that you don't actually care about them. Right now, I would like to say thank you for your time, subscribe to this channel, and like and share this video as well. See you again very soon.